This is how to create a cape shoulder shirt pattern like this using Optitex software. First, we need to have the basic form, then we will determine the drop lines and the width lines. Here, I will take the shoulder slope section. You can easily determine the degree of shoulder slope as well as the sleeve length based entirely on your preferences. We can comfortably lower this armhole section. Following those initial steps, we will use the command tool to carefully sketch out and define this sleeve length line and this armhole line. You will then use the tool to generate this draft line for the pattern. Now we will use the command to swap the perimeter line and the inner line with each other. After that, we will delete these construction lines. So, we have now created a pattern for a drop shoulder shirt in the Optitex software.